All right, what we happen to have here is we're building this motor for Hot Rods by Dean. This is going to a 72 Olds 442. It's an Olds 455. We custom painted this motor. We're running the Edelbrock aluminum heads. We did have to do some work to these heads because I got a mechanical roller cam in this. Then we had to tear it apart and cut the spring pockets, put some heavy duty springs in this. MSD distributor, Holly carb. Forged rotating assembly with an H-beam rod and a forged piston. We even got a March serpentine kit going on it, but we wanted to get this thing ran and broken in and show you what it sounds like before we get the March kit on here. Let's fire this baby up. We got about 500 horsepower. Even on mechanical rollers sound like a hydraulic roller. I got tricks to tightening them up and doing something to make them quiet. But again, Performance Unlimited, we prove every day we are #1 in the custom great engine business here. If there's anything we can help you with, 1-800-267-3940. Let's fire this up one more time. Nice Olds, man, nice Olds. If you're looking for a turnkey engine, there's no other than Proformance Unlimited. 1-800-267-3940. Peace and God bless. Enjoy our videos.